All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, again on the Jamaican Premier League. So, guys, hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully everyone is doing fine in your family and yourself. Make sure that you keep safe because we don't know what's happening in the country today. But for now, when we speak about the JPL match week 2, a few games that we saw took place, games such as Portmore United versus Arnett Garden, and also Molynes United versus Vere United. So we're going to get into the details of those games, and also we're going to look at the table fixtures of the off game week 2, and also how the table looked as how we get into it. So for now, people, please guys, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button as we get into the matter of details about this game in particular. So big up, people. Thank you very much for joining as we get on to the show. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we are on. So, hopefully everyone is doing good. As I said, massive respect for you guys to tune in. I really appreciate you guys coming again. But the time has drawn near where we're going to discuss some of the Jamaican Premier League. As I said, I really hope that you guys are doing good. So, let's look at some of the small factors. Let's look at the minute thing in these games. So, we're going to touch on one of the game first. Let's see which one of the game first we should touch on. But as you know, we all know they were both good games, as I said. Really good games, people. Let me see which game I should touch on first. I think the Portmore United was the first game. Yes, it was the first game. So I'm going to touch on it first. So Portmore United defeated Arnett Garden 2-1. Let me bring that up, people. So Portmore United defeated Arnett Garden 2-1. Goal scorer Shay Smith for Portmore United, and I'm telling you, people, Shay Smith, a really good player to look at. Intelligent, quick, pacey, rapid, dangerous player, people. Dangerous, really a dangerous outlet. But definitely the other aspect of football that we can understand. So we kick off in the first half. It's just how the type of game, how the game set up, and you can say that there's other aspect of this game that people would look into. I'm trying to find the starting lineup. I'm quite sure I had the starting lineup. I'm really sure I had the starting lineup. I'm not sure how I'm not seeing it right now. Seems as if I don't have it. But I do apologize for that because I really thought that I had it. I really thought that I had it. But in that aspect, people, as the game kick on, you could watching the game, you can say that the game, the intensity of the game. I know most people had Portmore United to win that game. A lot of people had Portmore United to win that game, but you know, football is not played until the whistle is blown. But fairly a good game of football. That is the reason I like to do these match reactions immediately after the game, because I have a more clear recollection of incidents that happened throughout the game. So then we move on now to the next game, people, where we saw Molynes taking on Vere. But for this time out, I do have the starting lineup for both teams, as you can see right there. So in the starting lineup for Molynes, they started Molynes. In goal, we have Reggae Williams. They played a 3-4-3 system. In goal, Reggae Williams. At right centre back, Lorenzo McCoy, their centre back. In the back three, actually, Akeem Stewart, and the left centre back is Dijon Grant. You have two holding, Tariq Wilson and Javan Brown. And the right wing back is Tariq Sutherland. No, 13, very good player, people. Really good player. Then on the left hand side, we have Nicholas Nielsen. Up front, we have leading line. We have Jean-Christophe Pringle, and then now we have Tyrese Winter. But leading line, we have Travante Stewart. let's get onto the Vere United FC starting lineup. They played a 4-3-3 system, people. 4-3-3. You know, most people in modern day football use this system, 4-3-3. Kadeem Davis in goal, Ricardo Campbell as the centre back, and Kenroy Lumster as centre back pairing. We have Kevin Graham at left back and Trevor Solomon at right back. I don't know why they push him so high, but because he wasn't really that high. In the holding midfield position, Lamar Neal, and then now box to box, Javier Brown and Andre Gale. Goal scored by Javier Brown in this one. We have Ricardo Messam at the right hand side, Ricardo Plumbing at the left hand side, and number 11, and then leading line Francois Swaby. Very, very dangerous player. Swaby experience causing a lot of problem for the Molynes Road team. Quite so often shoving inside of the box, pushing, basically bullying defenders. It's a physical specimen, people. A real physical specimen. So the game kicks off. Pretty much a balance of play. Molynes having possession. They do play play well in possession, but they're also the tussle for possession from both teams. But you can also aspect both teams kind of have their fair share of the possession of the football, trying to go head-to-head at each other. But I think the more dangerous plays were coming from Vere in regards to the likes of Francois Swaby. Dangerous player. Now, when you see that Molynes Road, they utilize their wingers quite often with the likes of Tariq Sutherland. They really do utilize their wing plays often. But same as I said, the most dangerous player on the pitch, Swaby, don't at the defenders. Let me see if I can remember which defender took him down in the 18-yard the penalty box. I think it was it Stewart? I'm not sure if it was Stewart who took him down in the 18-yard box. With Francois Swaby going out. It happened twice actually. He broke away twice. The other time the defender won the ball, but the second time out the defender didn't win the ball. Referee calls for a penalty. On the 27th minute. So it was Swaby dribbles inside the box, brought down by the Molynes Utd defender. I think the defender was Stewart. I don't quote me if I'm wrong. I might be wrong, people, but I knew that one of the defenders brought him down. So Javier Brown steps up for the penalty, hits the penalty home, saving the team and getting that 3 points. That one penalty was sufficient enough to get all 3 points from the team. So match week 2, people. This is how the fixtures carried out in the match week 2, people. Playing from Sunday, Monday, and also Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I think it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I think so. If my mind don't serve me right, people, I can be wrong. No, am I wrong? I think I'm wrong. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So as you can see there, people, on the fixtures, we have Umberland joined with Tivoli 2-2. Then we have Mount Pleasant defeating Harbourview 1-0. Then the big matchup where I think that former champions Cavaliers were dismantled with 9 man actually, but you know, Jamaica Tope, very, very stupid red card in the latter stage. And then what was the other guy that called the red card in the early part of the game? I think in about the 44 minutes or something like that. They were 2-0 down at that point in time, I believe. Still picked up a red card by a slap to the face by the Cavalier defender. Onto, I think it was Thomas. It was Thomas, the Waterhouse left back. Then we have Double Olin defeating Montego Bay United. You can see Montego Bay United kind of look immature-ish in regards to how they played. But I think that maybe a little cold feet getting back into the Premier League might have cost them. But Double Holding was already played the first game out of the way. I think they really stepped up for this one. Portmore, as I just covered, lost to Arnett Garden 2-1, and then Vere defeating Molynes 1-0. So this is how the table looks, people. Hopefully you guys are seeing it good. I am not sure if you guys are seeing it. So on the top of the table we have Mount Pleasant. We played 2 games, won 2 of them. Goal difference is 6 and 6 points. Waterhouse played 2, won 2 and 6. So all 3 teams, the first 3 teams are on the same points, but different goal differentials. Played 6 games. So that's inclusive of Mount Pleasant, Waterhouse, and Dumble Holding. Then in 4th position of Arnett Garden on 3 points, Vere United in fifth and 3 points as well. Cavaliers and in sixth position and 3 points with a negative 2 goal difference. Cavalier will be out with some of their better players in the next game, so it's interesting to see what the coach is going to do for that one. In the seventh position, we have Tivoli Garden, Portmore United in 8th, Harbourview in 9th, Molynes in 10th, and Umberline in 11th. And now finally, Montego Bay at the bottom of the table with a -4 goal difference and 0 points. And that is how the fixtures are, and that is what's happening in the Jamaica Premier League at this moment, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good, and it's a good look so far, people. It's a really, really good look. So people, keep on tuning, keep on smashing the like button, people. Really, really appreciate it, guys. Hopefully everyone is doing fine. Until I see you guys next time on match week 3. Yes, match week 3, people. So guys, keep safe, and keep safe, people. Just please, I'm begging you guys, keep safe, and trust that things will work out in your favor. That's how it is some of the time. I will see you guys again. Until next time, Military Guna TV, people, and I am out.
Baby.